is Saturday, December the 4th. Me and the fellas getting ready to go do a bike ride. We're going to go do the railroad tunnel, famous railroad tunnels out at Lake Mead to Hoover Dam. So basically I'm taking them so they can enjoy it as well. But anyway, we're on our way. I'll bring it out to you as I go.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the S-Man. Today is Saturday, December 4th. I got Big Ant, Big Ron, and they got their sons with them, but we're gonna go over to Hoover Dam, right in the railroad tunnels. We'll bring all the views to you as we go. All right, gents, there's Ashton, Noah, Big Ant, Big Ron. Yes, sir. Yep, we're about to get it on. We'll bring it all to you as we go. ladies and gentlemen. So, me and the fellas are out here biking it out. We went through all 5 tunnels. We're getting ready to head over to Hoover Dam. I'm gonna bring the rest to you guys as we go. Alright guys, so we're in the middle of our bike trail here. Just taking a little break with the fellas. We're almost at the Hoover Dam. We're gonna go show the boys that, and then we're gonna get out of here. But I just wanted to show you guys a 360 of this area. Out here getting it in on the bike trail. Say something to the people.
Right here, man.
Yeah, man, we almost there. We almost there, guys. Whoop, whoop. All right, guys, we are done with the biking portion. We're heading down to the Hoover Dam, take some pictures, and then we'll be coming on back. Yeah, there they go, there they go. Who's that old man with the white t-shirt on?
Man, I remember my 5th grade class and taking us out here, and it wasn't no bleach marks on the wall. All the water was there.
Guys, we made it here to Hoover. Letting the guys check it all out and have the experience. Big Ed, this is the first in the
neighborhood, right?
First. Alright guys, this Big Ron getting his chill on at Hoover Dam. There's Big Ed. There's Big Ed. Alright guys, we came, we saw. We are heading back. Oh wait, hold on. Well, we did it. Right. Alright guys. Ladies and gentlemen, so we made it back, got the bike racked up. Anyway, we're all done with the railroad tunnels, bike ride to Hoover Dam, all done for the day.